Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from E-Times TV.
अगर परवीन भाभी होती और मैं आती तो वो ज्यादा मुझे प्रॉब्लम होता because another duplicate doesn't work. I work like every day I'm coming to Naigaon. My social life is over. जब तक मैं घर जाती हूँ चीजें खत्म हो जाती है. मतलब पहले मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी किसी लड़के या लड़के को मनाने के लिए, पटाने के लिए. Now it is in your fingertips. I would like to have a relationship in my life, or I would definitely want to have a companion, because being alone, it's very tough. You can't live alone in your life.
Deepshika, thank you so much for joining me on Telestars Talk. It's lovely seeing you. How are you?
I'm good. Same here. It's always a pleasure to meet you, Vicky.
Deepshika, you have always given very, very candid interviews. I want you to be brutally candid today.
Okay.
Let me start by asking you, how satisfied are you at this point of your career? Do you think
very satisfied.
Do you think television has given you your due? Do you think Bollywood has given you your due? Do you think you have yet a lot to offer?
Yes, I'm right now very satisfied. Of course, television has given me my due, film has given me, but yes, I have to explore more, because I think I can still do a lot more. Lot of my characters which I would like to play, I have not played yet. But still, if you ask me, I am happy today. I have no complaints, because a lot of actors who came with me, they're not even seen anywhere. And I'm still there, and I'm doing a TV. It's all the main protagonists. Right now, I'm shooting for Ranju Ki Betiya, and I'm playing Lalita. The love story, it surrounds around Guddu Lalita. Ayub Khan is playing my husband. So it's so much of romance, passion. Itna प्यार करती कि वो पागल हो गई है. So I never played mad character. This show I had so much shade, like, she's strong, she's powerful, she's in love with her husband, for her family is important, and she's gone to so much, like, pagal ho gayi ki she sees her husband with somebody else, she's gone mad. So I'm enjoying playing this character, and TV has always given me very potential role. They've always showed my personality and my work ability, even film. But I would like to work more. I cannot say कि the day I'll say oh मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया उस दिन मेरा part time up हो जाएगा. I am not like that.
So if the viewers are watching a new frame altogether behind you, let me tell them that you have shifted from your original seat. You're speaking to E-Times TV from a set. Thank you once again.
Yeah. Thank you. My pleasure. Yeah. So TV has always given me the role, which I actually, being very choosy. You don't see me doing too much of TV stuff. I pick up thing एक साल में करती हूँ, then I do other thing. तो मुझे variety, same thing में बहुत bore हो जाती हूँ जल्दी. So now the web series is started. I would like to work in web series. So things has moved. I've done 2 songs as a singer, which I directed, and I've sang in that song, in that video. I'm doing 3rd song also, which अगर मुझे नायगांव से time मिलेगा तो I'll do that. I become a producer. I'm producing Crime Alert for Dangal TV, and which is already telecasting. So God is being kind. I'm doing my work, and everything is going good.
So Deepshika, do you think the very fact that we always wrote about you as a Parveen Bobby lookalike, and when I say we, it includes me as well. Do you think that tag went against you in Bollywood?
Somewhat, yes. I feel like that, but that like recognition भी मुझे मिला. Oh, Deepshika, she looks like Parveen Bobby. So people, Parveen Bobby's fan was there, but I can only see when I came in the industry, Parveen Bobby was not there. अगर Parveen Bobby होती और मैं आती तो वो ज़्यादा मुझे problem होता, because another duplicate doesn't work. But with me, it worked because she was not there, and she was the most gorgeous woman. And it's my pleasure, and I'm very honored that people compare me with her. So I don't think so that extent. You can say some extent, but not 100%. And I take it as a compliment.
You said you are gravitating towards web shows. Web shows में intimate scenes काफी होते हैं, गाली गलौज भी काफी होता है. Are you comfortable with that stuff?
No, it's not that. आप कितने सारे मैंने देखे जो कॉमेडी भी होते हैं.
relationship पे भी होते हैं. I've done Maya 3 with Vikram Bhatt. The relation between me, Mukul, its husband wife, it was so real. गाली गलौज, you know, depends, it's different kind of all cinema ना. उसमें thriller भी है, मारा मारी भी है, politics भी है. So intimacy, the love making scene, I'm not comfortable, which I've not done it. I'm not comfortable. Why should I do it? गाली गलौज एक हद तक अगर आप एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हो तो आप उस कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से प्ले कर सकते हो, but not that much. So I would like to play that kind of, like अगर मैं डॉन हूँ, कोई टिपिकल एरिया के जो बात ही ऐसे करते हैं, so why not? That is that is again, you're doing it for the role, but intimacy scene, I'm not comfortable on that.
Have you refused some web shows which asked you to
I
be
did
very
so
intimate?
many. Yes, I did. I don't want to name the OTT platform, but yes, I refused because I was not comfortable for that. Romance is welcome, of course. Romantic scenes are always there, but rest of the thing, I think it's too private to expose things.
You said there's a scene in that serial which you are doing where you see your husband with someone else.
Yeah.
Did it happen with you in real life? In either of the marriages?
Yeah, it happened, but I don't like to talk about that because cheating is not allowed for me. I cannot share my man with anyone. I think no woman can share it. And can you believe the real even the shooting, I'm doing the same thing. She can't take it. But only thing in this show, Lalita goes all the way to get her husband back by hook or crook, Sam Dam, Dandabed. But But Deepshika will not do that because loyalty is very important. See, nature differences, it's okay. Nobody's perfect. I'm also not perfect. But एक honesty होना relationship में बहुत जरूरी है. अगर वो नहीं है तो relationship का कोई मतलब नहीं.
Are you in touch with your ex-husbands?
No, I don't. I'm never in touch with my ex people because I don't believe in this. Oh, we are friends. If we would have been friends, तो ये problem ही नहीं होती. मुझे जो past है वो हो गया, खत्म हो गया. Because I try to save my marriage or relationship बहुत हद तक. जब पानी सर पे हो जाता, then I cut it off. So once I cut it off, then I don't talk because no point of messing it up. Then you cannot move on in your life and you cannot start fresh in your life.
Are the kids meeting their father, Jeet?
No, my children, they're in touch with on and off, they talk, but not really. I've never stopped them for meeting him or his parents or anybody because they're grown up enough, they can do what they want to do. So I am not in favor of this because वो उनका हक है, उनको मिलना है और वो मिल सकते हैं.
You tried very hard, you said, to save your marriages. Which one did you try harder?
I can say both. I cannot say कि यहाँ मैंने कम मेहनत की और वहाँ मैंने ज़्यादा मेहनत की. My first marriage, my children were involved, so I definitely never wanted it should finish it off. But unfortunately, it happened. Second time I was doing it because second time I thought now it's end. I cannot just go again and again. I cannot just start all over again because I'm a one-man woman and it's like relationship should be there. So मैंने बहुत कोशिश की बचाने की, but maybe it's not meant to be. So no, I can't say कि this I worked hard and that I didn't work hard. I worked hard for it, both the marriages.
You gave Keshav another chance.
Yeah, I did. Maybe I thought we all are human. We realize a mistake. Maybe he realizes, but I don't think so. I think some people, they are not meant to be together, so that didn't happen.
Do you think the institution of marriage is dying?
Yeah, the institution of marriage is dying or no, but institution of honesty and loyalty is definitely dying because so much option there is. The apps available, Facebook. मतलब पहले मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी किसी लड़के या लड़के को मनाने के लिए, पटाने के लिए. Now it's in your fingertips. And पहले हम बोलते थे कि the guys are not good, they are not loyal, but now these girls are also like that. So you can't blame. It is so easy. So where is the marriage? मैं वही बोलती हूँ. Everybody thinks that हम बुढ़ापे के लिए शादी करेंगे, we'll live happily long both ever after. It never happens. वहाँ तक पहुँचते ही नहीं है. So what do we? मतलब where do I'm so confused. I don't understand. ये कभी होगा भी या नहीं? And both the people are scared. I'm not saying the girls are scared. I've seen a lot of my male friends. They're also very scared getting into relationship and getting into marriage. So where are we heading?
So are you single at the moment?
Very much single and ready to mingle.
Ready to mingle. So are you ready to marry again, or would you now like to have just relationships?
I don't know. I definitely I would like to have somebody companion in my life. Now, let's see how it goes. It leads to marriage or doesn't marriage. Now, marriage is just a stamp. Okay, अब हम दोनों साथ में, but शादी के बाद भी अगर एक दूसरे के लॉयल नहीं रहे तो क्या मतलब है? So I have not planned anything, but definitely I would like to have a relationship in my life, or I would definitely want to have a companion, because being alone, it's very tough. You can't live alone in your life. How much you're busy. I spread my work. I am like expanding my thing. My children are growing up. They have their own life. I work like every day I'm coming to Naigaon. My social life is over. जब तक मैं घर जाती हूँ चीजें खत्म हो जाती है. So where do we have time? But still, I miss that someone in my life. Definitely.
What do the children say? Do they tell you get married?
Oh, my children, now that they are grown up, they say, Mama, what are you doing? Please find somebody, get married. They are not, because their life is, if I am at home, they said, okay, we are going for a holiday. So see you later. So they have their own plans. So end of the day, I'm alone. वो छोटे तो नहीं है कि मुझे उनको स्कूल लेके जाना है और ये करना है. They are independent. My daughter is doing modeling. She's done a filmmaking course. She was assisting Inder Kumar. She's going abroad for her modeling assignment. So she has her own life. My son is studying. He has his own life. So we three of are like 3 PG staying in the house, which we meet in the night and we talk about each other. Achha, today my day was this and that. And that's it. It's like we are friends. We are more friends than parents and children,
Do they want to become actors as well?
My daughter is more, she's more wants to do a ramp modeling. She wants to do modeling. She wants to do international. She wants to become an international model. And my son right now he's studying. He's more in the stock market and all. I am supporting them whatever they want to become. But it's not that my ambitions are not been done. I am very happy with my career. I have done whatever I want to do it. So whatever they want to do it, I'll be always supporting.
What has impressed me the most in this talk is that despite having two, if I can use the word, ugly, broken marriages, you still are looking out for a relationship.
Yeah, why not? I believe in
You're
relationship.
You're optimistic. You're optimistic.
Very optimistic. If I would have been not optimistic, I would have not got married again. Second time, I would have not got married. So I don't think so. Yeah, it is very hurt. You feel hurt. You feel heartbroken when some relationship breaks up. Whether it's friendship, आप दोस्ती भी टूटे तो भी आपको तकलीफ होती है. So this relationship, 10 years, I've given my time. But I don't blame that there is no love. Maybe there is the right timing or right person has to come in your life. I'm very optimistic and I'm really looking for a relationship because I believe in institute of love and companionship. It can happen anytime, any age, anywhere.
Have you had a relationship after your second divorce and the media was able to find out?
Where is the guy and where is the time? If you get up 6 o'clock in the morning, lockdown, to main pura ghar mein akeli. After this happened, I was shooting in Jaipur. I'm very friendly with my male actors and all this. That's why they keep linking in. But I mean, now I don't bother, because jo hoga, I am nothing to hide. I'm nobody's wife. I'm nobody's girlfriend. I'm single. If I had affair, I can tell people. उसमें शर्म किस बात की छुपाने के लिए? But it's not like that. 6 o'clock I get up. I come to Naigaon. I be pack up by 8 o'clock. We reach home by 10 o'clock. कहानी खत्म हो जाती. कहाँ मेरे पास टाइम है रिलेशनशिप का? और जब तक ये शो चलेगा तो मुझे तो नहीं लगता मेरा कोई अफेयर होने वाला है.
Let me conclude by asking you: are you in touch with your kitty party gang?
Of course, very much in touch. I love them. They are my family. Of course, मतलब अभी तो लॉकडाउन था तो हम physically नहीं मिल पाते थे. But Achin, Preeti, Poonam ji, Maya ji, we have a group, WhatsApp group, and we keep chatting with each other. And they are I can say they are my backbone. And we still love each other the way we used to love in Kitty Party.
Thank you, Deepshika. Thank you so much for this interview. You have taken time off from your scenes and your shooting, I would say. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Take care. God bless.